Good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, October 8th. Not a bunch of economic news out there, but we did have a ton of trades. We had, what do we have? Seven trades. Unfortunately, only made 3.6 pips. It was just a struggle here over the past day or so. We had some positions on yesterday, which we didn't liquidate yesterday morning. So last evening we liquidated some. Overnight we liquidated some. We had some scalp trades last night. We had some scalp trades this morning. So we'll go over them the best we can. First trade you're looking at here is a long in US dollar to Canadian dollar. The average price was 1.11836. With this trade, again, we pieced in, we pieced out. Total was a loss of 15.3 pips. As you know, part of our strategy, we'll go in thirds or quarters. We do thirds. Some traders will do quarters, and then you risk different amounts on the pieces that you're going in with. In this example, on two thirds of it, we were down about 31 pips on the side, which is equivalent to about 10 pips of an entire position. And then on the profitable side, we had 1/3, which was up about 16 pips, or about 5 and change on that third. So overall, 15.3 pips we lost on that. Pound yen, this one we pieced into as well. Average price was a short of pound yen, 174.228. It looks a lot easier on this chart than it was. You see the spike up here. It hit some of the pieces that we were in, and then on a third we covered. Where did we cover? It was down here overnight. Picked up 71 pips on a third, but again, that's only equivalent to about 24 pips. Meanwhile, on two other thirds, we had lost about 30 pips, or equivalent to 10. So overall, we picked up 3.6 pips on that trade. Not very, obviously not good, but we didn't lose, so that was a positive. Euro to yen was a short, 136.599. Pieced into it again. The signal was actually 136.618. Just never went in our favor, as you can see there. It was against us the entire time. We lost 20.8 pips on that trade. And then we had some pure scalps late, yesterday, or I should say last evening, between 7 p.m. and about 11 p.m. And then we had a couple of scalp trades this morning so far. We've been waiting for some more to get triggered, all in US dollar, Japanese yen, just concentrating on the one pair to scalp a little bit here and there. Did pretty well with it. Didn't knock the cover off the ball, but we did okay. There was a short here, 107.992. We picked up 6.8 pips. You can see there it did come in harder, but it was, again, when you're scalping, quick scalps, you look for whatever it's going to give you, 3 pips, 5 pips, 8 pips, 12 pips, 15 pips, whatever. You're not looking to nail it, making 40, 50, 60 pips. You're just looking for quick moves, preferably shorter time frames. When we're scalping, you can look at a 5-minute chart, 10-minute chart, 15-minute chart. We prefer 5-minute charts or 15-minute charts. That was a quick scalp, and then we got a scalp up here, going long, 108.147, picked up 11.6 pips. Again, that went higher as well. We sold 108.263. The thing ran up to about 41 in this move, but we'll take the 11. There was a short here that was triggered 108.172. Picked up 14.3 pips. Again, as you know, our feeling on figures, this is a figure 108 even. We're going to cover ahead of that. The short came right in. It broke the figure by maybe 2 or 3 pips and then bounced. We cover ahead of the pip. We covered ahead of the figure. Picked up 14.3 pips. Easy trade, solid trade. And then we got another signal to go long on a scalp, 108.287. A little bit more difficult trade. We picked up 3.4 pips. Even while we were in it, it was up higher. Actually, yeah, I guess it was. If I remember correctly, it was up a few more pips from here, and then it reversed, came back down, and then it popped again. So it was a lot more difficult trade compared to these other three scalps. But then again, it's later in the morning, volume starts to wind down and whatnot. And then now it's been rallying over the last couple hours here. So I guess, yeah, you could say we left some on the table, sure, because we were long 108.287. Here we are right now, 108.563 is the last print, 108.557 last print. So, we definitely left some on the table there. Really, probably no reason to get out of this. I mean, it never went against us more than 5 or 6 pips. But again, quick scalp, just looking to take whatever you can grab real quick and move on. So that's it. We have Fed minutes coming out in about 40 minutes. So we'll be mostly in cash for the most part going into that. We do have one position so far, which is more of a swing trade. It's nothing that's U.S. based, although the U.S. is the largest economy, so you have to be aware of it. It could impact it a little bit, not all that much. But with that trade so far, we've been down a little bit on it. Not stopped out of any of the positions that we put on as far as it goes. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. Have a great day. Good luck trading if you're still trading. And if any signals come out after the Fed minutes, they'll be coming your way.